Alright, we're back on with Sketchy Cuda. We're gonna look at what we got going on here. So see where we're at. Alright, I'm sanding up all the rust on our little prize we got from the junkyard. Got all the stuff taken off of it. So I'm sanding that all up. Here we started to fix the holes on the top of the frame. So that's where we're at with that. As you can see, we got a hurricane coming in, so we got to batten down the hatches today as well. All right, I'll be doing a little first time painting here, so we'll see how that goes. All right, I got my man Magic Dave. It's Magic Dave. We're gonna spray this down with the Eastwood rust encapsulator. We're all scrubby, wiped it down. Where's that product at, Dave? Where's that product? Okay, here's the product here. We're going to use the Eastwood's rust converter on this. And we see how it works. Bam! All right, here it is. It's all coated. You can still see it's still drying. You got the milky color. And we just sprayed it over some of the other stuff. It just, you know, we didn't scrape this down to the bone. We just scuffed up the rust and painted right over the paint that was already on it. You can see here. Now the silver, this is a weld through. Oop, wait a minute, let me back up. Sorry. It's a weld through primer. But hey, she's coated. Okay, here goes the frame piece that we sprayed with that anti-rust, whatever. Oh, we have to put some paint on it. We'll keep it inside. But that's basically what it does. It kind of turns it black. All right, we're back at it on Sketchy Cuda. As you can see from behind me, it's Monday. It's still crappy weather. It's been crappy since Friday. But let's check out what we got done. Okay, basically leveled it up, and we have chopped off just a preliminary cut. Right at the moment we'll have to cut up more, and you can see up inside there's still more to go. We're going to cut up deeper, but we got everything blocked up, loosened up from K-member in the frame. There she is. Let's look at the damage over here. You can see all the rod holes. All right, we got me and my man Dave here. We're working on the Sketchy Cuda. Let's take a look. We just got some preliminary stuff here. We got some welding, obviously, dude. We're just taking, we're taking measurements. Check it out. All right, this is all preliminary. Just make sure. Right now we're square, 66.5. We got this all squared. So there it is. We're gonna weld that in. And just a quick look before we all right, we're back on the Sketchy Cuda today. We started tearing into this cowl, and we found a lot of problems. So let's take a look at it. All right, well let's come over here first. As you can see, we have rust coming through here. And the original thought was just cut out a section and weld in something new. And when we did that over here, man, we just started seeing all sorts of problems. And we'll see more once I get it all pulled off. And so what we decided, due to the extreme damage in here that's obviously putting water down inside of the car, we're just going to go ahead and replace this If we can replace this with something new, we can. If not, we'll just have to fab something and fix this inner piece here and put this new cowl back on. But that's kind of held up the process a little bit as far as welding the frame on. And we also have to get the manual steering box. As you can see, this is a power steering box that the previous owner just took off the power steering pump and left that, so that obviously causes problems. Can't do that. And so my pitman arms came in, but not yet the power steering box, or sorry, manual steering box. But anyway, that's where we are. Okay, we got the cowl pretty much off, and as you can see, the extensive damage here, and really bad here. Of course, that's what's, you know, getting it into the car. We'll fabricate all that. So as you see, you got a leak here in the windshield. Then this was all full of dirt and debris, which sticks, and the water can't flow out this side through here. So then what it does is it rusts and rots. Then it makes it into your car. But other than that, there's only really 2 leaks in the window. You can see there's a leak in the window. Of course, flows down. Same thing, rust and rot. Then bad here. We'll fabricate that, which is probably why the water ran down and rotted out this A-pillar where your door is attached to, which I could buy a new one of these. They're about $100. We'll cut that. I think it cuts up here. Weld a new piece on when we get our outer rocker. Okay, where we at? We got the steering, manual steering, and it looks like we're a little short here, so we gotta we don't have a proper coupling to adjoin these, so I gotta make a call and get that figured out, and we'll get that handled. But ideally you want to get this in first before we start doing our welding, and then it'll all get together. And this, like I said, this was kind of like, you know, when we opened it up, we realized how bad it was in here, and that, you know, we needed to handle this. All right, we're back here with Sketchy Cuda, me and my man Magic Dave. Let's take a quick look at what we've done. Just a little, yeah, that's right. Here, it's just a start. There you go. Old Magic Dave welded them things up. We cut the little pieces out, fabricated it there, and those holes are now fixed. Now we obviously still got some more holes to go, but not a problem. We'll get it done. All right, there you have it. We want to keep getting done what we're doing. We'll pick it back up in a little bit.